This tutorial will show you how to log your books for the Hempstead Public Library's online summer reading program. Now remember, we're going to get to the site from the library's homepage. So if you don't remember that our library's website is hempsteadlibrary.info, please feel free to just Google the name of the library and click the proper link. Once you get to the library's homepage, remember we must scroll down and find the children's room. And then we will click Imagine Your Story. Once you're on this page, you can log in. You could choose to log in by clicking the login button here by the registration one, or you can simply type it into this box below. You will need to type in your username and your password. And click Login. Once you have logged in, it brings you to your dashboard. Now, if you want to log a book, you'll click over here on the left-hand side where it says Logging. You will always be looking for this pencil. Here, we can log our reading. We will type in our book title. And you'll see here that sometimes your title is going to show up in this drop-down list. You can choose it or you can leave it. It doesn't matter. And then you'll type the author. And again, it'll give you a drop-down. We really just want the author's name. Then you can review the book. I'm going to give this book, The One and Only Bob, 5 stars because I really liked it. And then you're going to give us a little reason why you like it or something about the book so that we know you read it. So I'm going to write So I wrote, Bob was a great character. He reminds me of my own dog, Bagel. And we will hit Submit. And that's it. Simple as that. So you can continue logging your books, or you can go back to your home page. And that's it. You'll see that you were awarded your points for logging your books. You must log 2 books in order to get the level certificate. So I'll show you what that looks like now. We will log our reading again, and I will say I read Dog's Colorful Day by Emma Dodd. And I loved this book too. Dog had such a silly day. He needed a bath. And submit. Now you've reached level 1. As you can see, more badges await you. So be sure to keep your reading log updated and keep reading.